Hello, thank you very much for watching another VSK video. We are playing another round of One Night Ultimate Werewolf with 5 players. For tonight, kalaro natin sina Itlog, si Sheka, si Ice Princess, si Noob Ambassador, at si Bujin. Okay, so basic, well, for these guys, para basic setup na to, 5 players, so 8 roles, specifically meron tayong werewolf, mystic werewolf, apprentice seer, robber, witch, troublemaker, insomniac, at tanner. So nagbilang ako ng roles to everyone, guys. Let's start the game. Mute your mics.
Everyone, close your eyes.
Witch, wake up. Okay, witch. Hindi ka mo ng card. 1, 4, 3. Okay. Who gets this card? Okay. Noted. Go back to sleep. Witch. Everyone wake up.
Everyone,
wake up.
wake up.
Okay. At saya naman ito. Ang bilis. Nakakatuwa. Dahil doon, bibilisan din natin ang game. Since first warm-up naman natin to. 5-minute game, we're looking for werewolves. 5 minutes, starting now. Good luck.
Guys, madali lang tong larong to. Wag lang na trouble make si Ice Princess.
Oh, may na trouble make ako.
ba? Wag lang si Ice Princess, okay na.
O sige, okay na.
Witch ako. Nakuha ko yung Mystic Werewolf.
At
Maybe can you pass, ma'am?
Alam na kung ano nangyari.
Thank you.
So, sinasabi mo ako yung wolf? Ganun?
Yes, ginawa kitang werewolf. Sorry, Ice Princess.
Bakit may alpha ba?
Nope. Witch ako.
Kita na
kinuha
witch,
ko
no?
yung card number 2. Mystic Werewolf nilagay ko sa'yo. Kasi naka-makeup ka eh.
Wow.
Okay.
Pero kinuha ko yung role ni NA eh.
Parang may role ko.
Troublemaker.
Hala ka.
Hindi, nauna naman ng rubber.
Nauna
rubber,
rubber.
tapos switch. Yun lang yung troublemaker kung ikaw yung pinagpalit kung kanino man. Doon tayo madadali. Ay, doon madadali mga villagers. Isip pa, sige. Isip na rebuttal.
Itlog, ano gagawin mo?
insomniac ako eh.
Nagpalit ka na? Pero tao ka pa rin?
Ano na, mangkukulam na.
Wait, ano ba?
Which ba yun?
Hindi na napanis mo. Pinagpalit ko kasi 4 at 5. Si Sheka pala yung 5.
So malamang rubber si Sheka?
Hindi. Insomniac na siya.
Paano mo kami napagpalit?
Pumunta ako Singapore tapos pumunta ako Mireya. Pinagpalit ko cards niya.
Sige,
Ano?
payag na ako. Basta si Itlog ang kapalit.
Bihira.
Okay. Press this one. Then you can see, Mommy.
So walang umaangal na boboto natin sa Ice Princess.
Ano naman, sure.
Okay. You can also check.
Pero malamang
eh,
di ba rin ah?
Bakit ako
Yeah.
rubber nga ako. Kahit wala nang silbi yung ginawa akong wolf.
Maniniwala ako,
kasi-
magtitiwala ako kay Bujin at ibaboto ko si Ice Princess.
Kasi kung may isa pang
Bakit?
werewolf, dapat tinagtatanggol nila si...
Kasi mauna yung
walang
rubber
nag-rebat
na
eh.
role. Tapos
Mauna ka.
Baka nasa card ang werewolf.
Sige, vote nyo na ako.
Okay na. That is
Sino
sure.
pinagpalit mo,
Wait
NA?
lang.
Si Itlog
4 or
tsaka si Sheka, no? Pero ba't sabi ni Itlog mangkukulam siya? Ang apprentice
2 minutes
here ba
left.
mangkukulam?
Joke yun.
Werewolf ako eh. So, kung pinagpalit mo kami, di si Itlog ng werewolf.
Eh, ba't niya ibaboto si Ice Princess kung yun nga yun?
Baka nakuha kasi ni Eugene yung Mystic Werewolf.
Uh-oh!
Kasi number 2, Mystic Werewolf eh.
Oh, tapos
nakuha ko
sa
nga.
sarili niya binigay, hindi kay Ice Princess. Pwede.
Oo, sa sarili niya. Pwede, di ba?
Pwede.
So, NA, ngayong umamin
Pwede
ng
na.
si Sheka na siya yung werewolf. Wala ka bang sasabihin?
Wala.
So, totoo yung sinabi mo kanina pa.
Oo, totoo yung sinabi ko kanina.
Hindi yung trap.
So, werewolf
Hindi,
ka na
hindi
itlog.
O naman, ba't hindi?
Oo naman.
Si Ice Princess na lang para sure. Sheka and ano ba ba?
Wait lang, kapag na-vote out si Will,
Why?
Kasi hindi ko alam kung werewolf si Sheka eh.
werewolves nga ako.
Ate.
Kaya kung hindi talaga pinagpalit kami ni NA, edi boto niyo ko. Magagawa ko ba ako? Umamin na ako.
Wait, Tanner ka ba? Sayang.
45 seconds.
Werewolf talaga. Tapos na-check ko, Mystic Werewolf yung number 2.
Kailangan kasi mag-tie. Di ba dapat 2 votes tapos tie. Para
So,
dalawa yung bala natin.
So feeling ko kasi
Kasi
si Eugene.
sinasabi.
30 seconds.
Kasi si Eugene eh. Feeling
So,
ko si Eugene. Kung si Itlog yung werewolf, feeling ko si Eugene yung Mystic Werewolf nilagay niya sa sarili niya.
So, iboboto mo
Hindi
si
naman kami
Eugene.
magkakilala kung pares kaming werewolf. So, wala rin kwenta yung sinasabi mo. Ganon
Oo.
din.
15 seconds.
So, Sheka, sino boboto mo?
Kung werewolf si
Ako,
itlog.
hindi ko,
Kaya
Eugene.
siyempre hindi ko boboto. Kahit alam ko na werewolf si Itlog, hindi ko boboto ang baby ko. Kay Eugene.
So, si
One,
Bujin o si Ice Princess?
four,
Bujin. Ikaw, Itlog.
3.
Ice Princess tayo, Ice Princess.
Bujin na
Okay.
lang.
Tapos na ang terms.
Mag-Bujin na lang si...
Okay, no more discussion. So, reminder lang, kung ikaw yung Tanner o feel mo ikaw yung Tanner, you cannot vote for yourself. You have to vote for someone else. If you feel na both werewolf cards are with me, vote 0. Dapat wala maka 2 votes. Anyway, I'm gonna count you guys down from 3. Sabay-sabay ka mag-vote. Hold it up. 3, 2, 1, vote. I see a 6, an 8, a 0, a 6, a... Wow, nagtayo nga. 6 and 8. Nagawa na. Okay. 6 and 8 yung binote nyo. Okay. So basically, binote nyo si Ice Princess kasi inaakis ni Bujin na lagay niya din yung werewolf. And binote nyo rin si Bujin kasi hindi kayo naniniwala siguro sa kanya. So both Ice Princess and Bujin dies. Bujin indeed was the witch. Bujin indeed checked card 2, which was the Mystic Werewolf. At nilagay niya kay Bujin. Bujin was the Mystic Werewolf. You killed a werewolf and Itlog you lost to kasi Sheka was the original werewolf. Nag-troublemaker siya, move siya, NA napunta kay Itlog, yung other werewolf card. So yes, the village won. The vote out yung isang werewolf in Bujin. Nag-backfire yung plano ni
Kung
Bujin.
iba lang yung napili ni NA
Kung
sa
iba lang yung
troublemaker,
napili, wala,
panalo.
nag-tie. Mismo 5 players, nag-tie pa talaga.
Grabe naman.
Kala ko, easy win for Bujin and the Itlog. So, for the recording lang, card 1 was the Tanner. Card 2 originally was the Mystic Werewolf na naging witch kasi nga pinalit ni Bujin sa sarili niya. Card 3 was the Apprentice Seer. Everything else checks out. Good job, good job. Nabalansin niya pa yun. Okay, shock pa sila. Okay, shock pa sila.
Sobrang
Kasi,
nagsugal ako sa hindi mag-vote eh.
kaya nga eh, ayaw mo talaga
Kasi feel ko si Ice Princess baka hindi mag-Bujin eh.
Ang galing nga, sa simula si Sheka lang yung werewolf. Tapos natapos tayo, si Itlog at si Bujin yung naging werewolf. So, good job. Panalo ka, Sheka. Ice Princess, panalo ka pa rin kahit na-vote out ka. And na-ambassador. So, good job. Anyway.
Grabe.
Team Werewolf. Team Werewolf, tila, tingin sa camera. Alright, so kung mag-isa ka lang, pick a card, 1, 2, or 3. Kung dalawa kayo, magkakilala kayo kay Tam. Alright, that is long enough. Go back to sleep. Team Werewolf. Robber, wake up. Robber. Okay, pick a player. Okay, you're rocking that person. Ito na ang bago mong role. And hindi mo siya ang magiging robber. Back to sleep. Robber. Troublemaker ba? Yes, troublemaker, wake up. Go. This one. And this one. Okay. Actually. Troublemaker. Insomniac, wake up. Insomniac, okay. As of right now, with everything that's been happening, ito ang card mo. Go back to sleep. Sige, let's wrap this game up muna kasi kanina pa naghihintay si Kal Uncle. Yan, hindi na yan magiging balance. Meron na kayo Okay, pakat na lang yung part niya. Anyway, so guys, that was...
kakat yan, Bujin, ah!
That was One Night Ultimate Werewolf, the Village one. Nag-start tayo with one werewolf na si Sheka, naging si Itlog at si Bujin, pero na-vote out si Bujin. So anyway, if you guys like this video, click on the like button, hit subscribe, kung hindi pa kayo subscriber, and the notification button para update kayo every time I upload these types of games. And if you'd like to join our game, send us a message or we play every weekend. Check the Facebook page, check the YouTube page, click the link. Papasalihin namin kayo in between games. Other than that, thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye guys!